Welcome to our video tutorial on ChatGPT, an innovative language model developed by OpenAI. I apologize, my voice is a little bit thumpy today because I've got a heavy hay fever. So in this video, we'll explore what ChatGPT is, how it can increase productivity, and how Microsoft plans to utilize it in various products. So let's dive in. So OpenAI is a leading organization in the field of artificial intelligence. It was founded with a mission to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. OpenAI team of researchers and engineers has developed numerous cutting-edge AI models, and one of their notable creations is ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is a language model designed to engage in conversational interactions. And OpenAI developed it by training it on a vast amount of text data that enables it to generate human-like responses based on the input it receives. And this advanced technology has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with AI system, etc., etc. Now, let's first learn how we can start using ChatGPT. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go on openai.com here, and then you click on login. Now, I have already logged in, so it's showing me this dashboard after login, but you can log in into your account with the help of your Gmail account, and then once you're logged in, it will show you these three options. Now, the first one is ChatGPT, which we are going to cover in today's tutorial, whereas the other one is DALL-E, which is used to create, realistic images, art forms with description. And then the API section is the section which businesses can use with the help of generating their API key and then integrating these OpenAI APIs into their own softwares, SaaS products, etc. So let's click on ChatGPT. So here we are. This is the interface. Now you can already see that I have used various chats here, but we will be using a new one today. So let's close it now. Now, recognizing the immense potential of ChatGPT, Microsoft actually acquired it from OpenAI. I think they have paid around $10 billion for it. And with this acquisition, Microsoft aimed to integrate ChatGPT into its suites of products and services to enhance user experiences across various domains. Microsoft actually is planning to incorporate ChatGPT into different products like Microsoft Office, Outlook, Teams, and more, which you will be using in going further in future, because if your organization is using Microsoft products, then these ChatGPT capability will come inbuilt into these products. Imagine using ChatGPT to draft an email, you just write, like, generate ideas for presentation, or even facilitate virtual meetings by providing real-time assistance. So the possibilities are endless. Now let's explore the basics but useful prompts to utilize ChatGPT in your daily office life. You can ask it for help with drafting document or brainstorming ideas. For example, if you're researching for medicine or a disease, you can say, give me 10 questions to ask doctors based in USA treating blood cancer blood cancer for patients age 55 years old and above. These questions should be related to diagnostics. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's say after ChatGPT responds back. So as you can see, asking a question, ChatGPT has responded back with 10 questions. What diagnostic tests are commonly used to identify blood cancer in patient age 55, or how accurate are these diagnostic tests in detecting blood cancer? So we can see the quality of the questions is really good. You know, it has done a lot of research in the back based on the data it is modeled upon. For example, this question: what role do blood tests such as complete blood count and peripheral blood smears play in the diagnosis of blood cancer in older adults? So this is really good. So this is just one of the examples. Now, uh, let's let's ask him, can you please write a summary of blood cancer diagnostic process? So let's say what ChatGPT replies back. So these are the points which you will find in the summary of the whole diagnostic process. So this is really, really good. So this could be used in your daily office operations during, doing research or drafting papers, etc. Now, by leveraging ChatGPT capabilities, you can significantly increase your productivity. First, just you can use it to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, gather information from reliable sources. This basically allows you to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of our work. Incorporating ChatGPT into your workflow can help in streamlining processes. I would personally suggest to a lot of companies to incorporate the ChatGPT APIs into their system as soon as possible, because this will not just train the model but also will help you to enhance your productivity. This will unlock new possibilities in the organization. As with any AI tool, it is important to critically review the outputs and ensure they align with your goals and requirements. So, I mean, I'm not an expert in blood cancer, but if somebody is reading this who is into the industry, they will be able to understand how accurate or not accurate it is, and then they can alter it depending upon their needs. And this is how you basically use ChatGPT. And let's say, for example, if you want to use ChatGPT with different plugins, what you can do is you can install this plugin on your ChatGPT. For example, you can install the first you can get the plus version, and that's $20 a month. And then once you have the plus version, you can go and install some add-ons. Like, for example, you can give access to ChatGPT to your Google Calendar or your normal calendar and ask ChatGPT to reschedule your meetings. Or you can give ChatGPT access to your emails or your access to your raw data to do some analysis, etc. Obviously, it has to be in particular format, etc. But this is not the video for that. So yeah, these are the basic usage for ChatGPT, and I'm sure you have hundreds of questions. So yeah, give me a thumbs up, put your questions in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them. Okay, cheers.